One of the most important experience from implementing RamBase has been that we went from thinking that we will do that ourselves and we have capacity to do it ourselves. We were totally wrong. Actually, we just dumped 200 procedures into the system and we were very happy. And then we realized that to have the system is good, but if you don't use the system and not able to use the system and don't have time to set up the system, it was the capacity that was the problem. It was not the knowledge of the people or the will, it was just the capacity. Collaboration with Terje has been fantastic. She makes the difficult easy to turn this process or procedure into a process. If you're not used to it, it feels very difficult for all of us, but Terje makes it easy. RamBase QMS are going to help us to do our continuous improvement in the business. Blu Electro needs to improve every day. Every day we need to be better than yesterday. Why? Because we want to and need to be in front of our competitors in whatever we do. To do that, we plan to use RamBase to help us do this improvement. By reporting system, by continually updating the processes and needed procedures, we are going to improve. RamBase will be very, very important in this work.